Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your man William back with another video, and today we're going to talk about Nowsite marketing and doing a full breakdown of it. Now, some of you may already be familiar with Nowsite, and some of you may not. So for those who are already familiar with Nowsite, consider this a refresher course. For those who are not, it's an all-in-one marketing platform that has a lot of cool features that we're going to do a full breakdown today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, you guys, so here we are on the homepage of Nowsite. For those who are already familiar with Nowsite, you can probably see that the design of the website has changed from what you probably may be accustomed to. So what we're going to do today is we're going to just go over each of these sections here and just go over the features briefly of Nowsite. All right, so as you can see, we are on the inside page, which is the first section of Nowsite, the home page that you get into once you log into your account. You can see the dashboard, the prospect tracking, analytics, my content, and my teams. So right now we're on the dashboard page, and as you can see, we have a list of prospects that Nowsite sends to you every month. Nowsite sends you about 10 prospects every month. You can always buy more, so you can actually get up to 100 prospects each month. As you can see here, you need to claim all your prospects before the time runs out here on February 1st. So right now we're on January 1st, 2022 to February 1st, 2022, and all 10 prospects that Nowsite has given me for the month have to be claimed before 2022 or you will lose them forever. Okay, so over here we have the prospect tracking where you can manually add the contact information of people who you're talking to over on social media or in real life, and they're interested in what you have to offer, whether it's a business, a product, or service. And you can manually add the information to the prospect tracking so that you have the opportunity to potentially turn that prospect into a customer or a client. Okay, so here we are now on the analytics page where you can actually track the progress of all the websites, the social media posts, text message campaigns, email campaigns, and ads that you create through Nowsite. The analytics page will be able to track the traffic that's being generated from all your websites and campaigns. Because as you know, in order to generate clients and customers, you need traffic to whatever opportunity that is that you're presenting. So this page will be able to see how much traffic you are getting from your websites, your email campaigns, text message campaigns, and ads. So you'll be able to make a determination of whether or not you need to make changes, or if everything is trending correctly, you just keep continuing to do what's been working for you. So now on the mic, you see that the My Content section is grayed out, so I can't go into that. But just to give you a brief overview, the My Content section allows you to upload videos, files, websites, and images that you can use on your websites, on your email campaigns, your ads and text message campaigns, and you can also upload them there so you can share with members of your Nowsite team, which I'm about to show you right now. So here we are on the team section. We have team content, chat, and team manager. Now in this section, you're actually able to create your own team and add people to it, or you can actually join someone else on their team. As you can see, I've already joined on quite a few different teams. And what's so great about this is that when you're part of a team, you actually gain access to the content of the team leader. So we're in Nowsite. You can see all the content that they've uploaded onto their My Content section, as I mentioned before. You have social media posts or links here, images, videos, everything that they have uploaded into their My Content section. You as a team member have access to it, and you can use it on your own email campaigns, your own ads, your own websites, text message campaigns, whatever. As long as it's uploaded into their My content section, you have access to it. All right, and here in the chat section, you can actually send a message to everyone in the team if you need help with something, or if there's someone specific on the team that you want to talk to. You can always do a one-on-one chat with someone. So we go into the Nowsite. We click on New Chat. Actually, you know what? Stop this one. Here in the chat section, you're able to make important announcements to your team or start one-on-one chats. So if you are the team manager, you can go into your team section and type a message so all of your members can see it. Or if you're the team manager or team member, you want to start a one-on-one chat with someone, you just click on New Chat here, type in the email address of the team member you want to get in contact with, and just speak to them directly, one-on-one. So here in the team manager section, you're able to create your own team. You're able to type in a team name. You're also able to add on a team image, and you can actually make your settings so someone can join with or without approval. Now, if you're just looking to join a team, you just click down here. You type in the name of the team that you want to join. Once you find it, you click on join, and you'd either be instantly in or you have to wait until the team manager lets you in. All right, so now we just finished going over the insight section, which was the top section here. Now we move on to the next one, which is networking. And here we have contacts, my prospects, and contact enhancement. So here in the contact section, you're actually able to manually add in a new contact. You're able to type their name, their phone number, their email address, their website, and all their social media links here: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Next, you're able to import all your contact information from another program onto Nowsite, so that'll be easier for you to make contact with them through email or through text message. So you just go to import contacts, you go to upload CSV, and you select the document, the appropriate document, and all your contacts will be imported from, for example, Microsoft Excel into Nowsite. And then finally, you can export all your contacts that you may have. As you can see, just click on export all contacts, and it begins downloading onto your computer, and it could be printed out or saved onto another program. All right, as I mentioned before, Nowsite sends you 10 free prospects a month. If you want to, you can actually pay extra so that you can get 100 prospects every month. And in this section of My Prospects, you're actually able to refine your search so that when Nowsite does send you the prospects, they meet whatever criteria that you have here. So you check your location by state, city, province, or country, whatever interests and skills they have, their degrees or major, whatever company they work for, their gender and age, and then you save it. And then when Nowsite delivers those prospects to you, they will all match the criteria that you have set in this section. Over here in the prospects subheading here, you'll see all the list of the prospects that you have so far. Now I'm not going to click on mine because mine will show you who are my prospects, and we here want to protect people's identity because we don't want to get in trouble or anything like that. So, but just to let you know, this is the section where all your list of prospects will be, so you can refer back to them later. All right, so now we get to the nitty-gritty, the fun part, the heart of Nowsite. We are now in our marketing section. So you have here your websites, your email, SMS, social media, ads, and domains. So as you see now in the website section, this is where you create your websites, your landing pages, so that you can promote your business, product, or service, or whatever. So as you can see, I have a few websites created already. So let's take a look at one of them. So since this is a video of Nowsite, let's go to my Nowsite page. All right, and as you can see, you can add pictures, text, you can add in any type of font and design of the text. You can add videos and everything that you want to make your website look professional. And it's very easy to do. And in a later video, I'm going to show you exactly how you create your website. And it's real simple. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. So you can see, that's how everything looks with my Nowsite page. Nice and pretty, huh? Now here in the email section, this is where you create your email campaigns and your newsletters so that you can send to your prospects. So you can see I already have a few created. Let's just check one out. So this is my latest one here. This is the Nowsite 90-day campaign. So in this section, you create your email newsletter. You can add anything you want to it, videos, pictures, links, anything that you need to get your prospects interested in what you have to offer. In another video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the email campaign, how easy it is. It's just as simple as creating a website or a landing page with Nowsite. All right, so we're here in the SMS section where you can send out text messages to your prospects. You have send SMS, chat, and settings. So here you have broadcast. This is where you will be able to send text messages to a bunch of different numbers at once or send them out individually. So let's take a look, see how that looks. So for broadcast name, I have MLM Leads 1 for training purposes. This is a text message that you write. This is where you write down your text message that you want to send out. You have a limit of 160 characters. Then you can either send to a list. This is where you will pick out the list of numbers that you've inserted into your Nowsite account that you want to send the text message to. If the number or the list of numbers is not there, you can always add them here by pressing the add button and selecting the list that you want, the list of numbers where you want to send a text message to. And then here you can send the message individually by typing in a number, one number at a time. All right, now here in the chat setting, this is where you'll be able to keep in contact with all of the numbers that you send a text message out to. You'll be able to see if they respond or not. And for those who do respond, you can just message them back and forth. Talk to them about your product, your service, what is they're looking for, and see if they're a right fit for your business. And of course, here we have the settings. This is where if you want to change certain things or adjust certain things, you can do that here. So we're not gonna go into that, but you just get the idea. All right, so now here in the social media section, this is where you get access to all different types of content that you can post to your social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can get articles, videos, pictures, any of those things that you can post to your social media accounts to garner interest and to actually get prospects who might be interested in your product, service, or business. In another video, I'm going to show you exactly how this section works and how easy it is to just post from Nowsite to your social media accounts. All right, so here in the ad section, this is where you can actually purchase ads, where you can advertise your business, your product or service on the over 1 million websites that Nowsite has connections to. Later video, we will create an ad, show you how it works, and see how easy it is just to get your product, business, or service out there for a lot of people to see. And finally, here in the domain section, you can actually purchase domains for your website that you want to create, or if you already have a website that you already created a website, already have a domain name, you can add it to the Nowsite, your Nowsite account, and just link it to any website that you want. Pretty simple. So as you know, Nowsite is a great marketing tool where you can create websites, create email and text message campaigns, and create ads to show off your business, your product or service, so you can invite potential clients and customers. But also, Nowsite has a great affiliate program. Here in the Refer and Earn section, you'll get access to all your affiliate information, your links that you can use to share with others who may be interested in Nowsite for themselves, and actually earn commission for every person who joins Nowsite with your link. Also in the Refer and Earn section, you get your dashboard that shows you your earnings from Nowsite that you made. You have your payments, show you how much you get paid. You also have the compensation plan overview, so if you ever need to just understand how it works, you can always just go over this section and just get a feel for how it works and how you can earn money just by promoting Nowsite. All right, here we have the support section. This is where you can get answers to any questions, comments, or concerns that you may have with Nowsite. As you can see, they have an extensive list of subjects that you can find the answer to what you're looking for. If you're still unable to find what you're looking for, you can always click here for support and always send someone a message and they reply, and the reply rate for Nowsite is pretty good. So this is the support section, where if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about Nowsite, you can just go through here, scroll through the page to see what it is that you need help with and get your answers. You can also search for what you're looking for in this search box right here. And if for some reason, if you can't find what you're looking for, you can click here for support and send a message to someone in Nowsite, and they will usually respond within 24 hours. Now here we are in one of the coolest sections of Nowsite, the nerd section. This is where you get to hire a specialist to help you with your website, your landing page, your email campaigns, blog posts, SMS campaigns, and social media posts. Sometimes people may not have enough time to make a website, or you may not know where to start in your email campaigns. So call the nerds, and they'll be able to help you with whatever it is that you need. All right, you guys, and lastly here, we have the account settings. This is where you view all your account information, your current membership with Nowsite, all your passwords and billing information. This is where you can review everything just to make sure everything is correct and make changes and upgrades if necessary. All right, you guys, so this is going to do it for today's video. This has been the full breakdown of Nowsite. In later videos, we're going to go more in depth into the marketing section so I can show you how to create your websites and email campaigns and whatnot, and how easy it is to do so with this platform. All right, so until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.